Linux and Terminal Cheat Sheet. Essential commands for navigation, files, permissions, processes, and networking in the terminal. Navigation is the first thing to learn in the terminal. Use pwd to see where you are, ls to see what files exist, and cd to move around. The tilde shortcut takes you home instantly. Use cd- to jump back to the previous directory, which saves a lot of typing. File commands handle creating, copying, moving, and deleting. Use mkdir with the p flag to create nested directories in one step. The cp command copies files, and mv renames or moves them. Use cat to print file contents, and tail with the f flag to watch log files in real time. grep searches for text patterns inside files. Add the r flag for recursive search through directories. Use the I flag for case-insensitive matching. The find command locates files by name, type, or size. Combine them to search for specific text in specific file types. Pipes connect commands together. The output of one becomes the input of the next. This is one of the most powerful features of the terminal. Use redirect with the greater than sign to save output to a file. Double greater than appends instead of overwriting. Redirect errors separately with 2 greater than. Linux permissions control who can read, write, and execute files. The chmod command changes permissions using numbers like 755 or 644. 7 means read, write, and execute. 4 means read only. Always use chmod plus x to make scripts executable before running them. Process management helps you monitor and control running programs. Use psaux to list all processes and grep to find a specific one. Kill sends a graceful stop signal, and kill with 9 forces it immediately. Use lsoft to find which process is using a specific port. Curl is the Swiss Army knife for HTTP requests. Download files, send post requests with JSON data, and test APIs right from the terminal. SSH connects you to remote servers securely. Use SCP to copy files between machines. Set up SSH keys so you don't need passwords. Text processing commands are incredibly powerful. Sort orders lines, unic removes duplicates, and cut extracts specific columns. Sed does find and replace in files. Awk processes structured text column by column. Chain these together to analyze log files and extract useful data. Disk and system commands help you understand your server. Use df to check free disk space and do to find which folders are using the most space. The free command shows memory usage. Uptime tells you how long the server has been running and the current CPU load. Shell aliases and functions save you from typing long commands repeatedly. Add aliases to your bashirk or zshrc file. Use functions when you need arguments or multiple commands. Shell history with control R lets you search and reuse previous commands instantly. Keyboard shortcuts make you faster in the terminal. Control-C cancels the current command. Control-R searches your command history. Tab auto-completes file names and commands. Double exclamation mark repeats the last command, which is great with sudo. Common Linux mistakes to avoid. Never run rm-rf without double-checking the path, because there is no recycle bin. Don't use sudo for everything. It's a security risk. Always quote variables and scripts because spaces in file names will break unquoted commands. Quick tips for your terminal workflow. Use tmux or screen to keep sessions alive after disconnecting. Set up shell completion for your tools and commands. Use zargs to run a command for each line of input. Learn one new keyboard shortcut each week. Package management varies by distribution. Debian and Ubuntu use apt, while Fedora uses DNF and Arch uses pacman. Always update your package list before installing new software. Use Snap or Flatpak for cross-distribution packages that work everywhere. That's the Linux and terminal cheat sheet. Check the blog post link below for the full written version with more examples. See you in the next video.